is Gracie Opulanza and I'm going to talk about the Ice Bucket Challenge and what to wear when you've been nominated. Shower cap. Most women doing it don't want to get their hair wet. Okay, so choose your shower cap. Here is an example what not to wear as a shower cap. The second one is your bucket. I cannot believe how many horrible buckets I'm seeing. I get it, you want to do it quick, you've got 1 minute. Think about your funky bucket. The next one is, you want everyone to look at you. Your makeup. Put some makeup on, girlies. It's always pleasing to the eye. I've just gone for a very simple pink to match my shower cap, pink so my lips stand out, and a lot of black eyeliner. It really makes a difference. Your image counts. Choose what to wear. Yes, you're going to get wet. It's for a fantastic cause. So I'm wearing a waterproof trench coat by Protected Species. If you love Gracie Opulanza YouTube channel, please subscribe.